All right, morning everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Orchestra to retry your DAG from failed nodes. So this is the Orchestra UI. We're going to go ahead and look at this pipeline. You can see it's a pretty simple pipeline on the face of it, but as we know, underneath every Snowflake query and under every DBT cloud job, there can be quite a lot going on. If I go ahead and click into it, we'll see some of these runs were failing. In this run, we can see the DBT cloud job failed. In order to understand if it was a particular model materialization or a test that was failing, we can click into View Lineage. Okay, so here it's pretty clear this test has failed. Now, in other workflow orchestrators, you really wouldn't want to rerun this whole DBT DAG after you fixed it. However, what I've done is I've gone into my DBT project, I've fixed the test, and after doing that, all I have to do in Orchestra is press this rerun from failed button. If I now go back to my pipeline runs, we can see here that some of the tasks have started in a skipped state. So we haven't done any redundant compute. However, the successful models in DBT have also started in a skip state, and we can see this by going into the lineage. So, in this case, it was just a single test that failed last time with no downstream dependencies. So we've run that test. The test is successful. Oh, we've got Snowflake credits on there as well. Pretty cool. And then we've refreshed our dashboard in Power BI. And yeah, generally for all of our integrations, we try to implement this pattern. So whether it's running something in Coalesce or Snowflake or even Airfloat itself, we always try to recover from the failed node so that you don't waste any compute.